MediaWorks tasked us with an impossibly good challenge to create a 3D billboard in 6 weeks. But we didn't want to just make any old 3D billboard. So we went old school and gave it the movie magic treatment. We assembled our best creative minds, built a physical set, upgraded our old mate Jeff, the animatronic, that's me, and brought him to life with some very special techniques. A team of 6 puppeteers, make that 8. We even got the boss involved. So thanks for the opportunity, MediaWorks, and thank me, Jeff. Come meet me and experience movie magic for yourselves at Unleashed in Auckland.